Top 6 Best Motorcycle Helmet. The 6 best motorcycle helmet in present time. We are going to check out 6 best motorcycle helmet quality this year. This list is my personal opinion. I tried to list this best product on their price, quality, durability and many more. Number 1, VCAN Cruiser Solid Half-Face Motorcycle Helmet, price, $35.99 and free returns. Size X small, color flat black flag, recommended uses for product motorcycling, brand VCAN. Number 2, ILM Full Face Motorcycle Street Bike Helmet with removable winter neck scarf, price, $69.99 and free returns. Brand ILM, 2 visors included, clear plus smoked and 1 neck scarf for winter use, streamlined aerodynamic design reduces wind noise and drag. Number 3, Motorcycle Full Face Helmet DOT approved, price, $79.99 and free returns. Full Face Helmet. Outstanding aerodynamic ABS shell and multi-density EPS. Sun visor system, easy use switch and tool free to remove and install. Number 4, ILM Motorcycle Dual Visor Flip-Up Modular Full Face Helmet, price, $84.99 and free returns. Size large, color matte black, high resistance ABS shell with micrometrically adjustable strap. Number 5, Scorpion EXO Covert Unisex-Adult Half-Size Style Matte Black Helmet, price, $214.95 and free returns. Brand Scorpion EXO, color matte black, recommended uses for product cycling. Number 6, ILM Bluetooth Integrated Modular Flip-Up Full Face Motorcycle Helmet Sun Shield, price, $249.99 and free returns. Athlete Biker, brand ILM, Bluetooth technology 3.0 version, 8 hours of talk time and 110 hours of standby. Fully washable microfiber lining and adjustable vents. Check out the description link for more information and latest price.